Alright, today we just have, it's a 038 Super, and it actually has the bigger cylinder on it, the 52 millimeter, and that's so it's actually kind of like a Magnum. It's a bit of a mod saw. I did some port work to it to leave the base gasket to bump up the compression, and it runs good. Anyway, the saw is in overall good shape. It's not too beat up, and these saws are great. You know, they're a little bit older, but they make a lot of power and they're real tough. You know, this one's got the 20-inch bar and chain on there, 3/8 pitch. And you know, this one runs like a scalded dog. Runs real good. I'll show you that right now. Yeah, that wood's frozen solid. Cuts pretty good. Anyway, thanks for watching.